2004. And before Herbalife, meron akong problema sa pagtulog. Hindi ako nakakatulog. And very low ang energy. And ganyan po ang isura ng aking mukha. Maraming pimples. But when I started to eat yung balanced nutrition consistently, I regain my energy. Nakakatulog na ako ng mahimbing. Kuminis na ang aking mukha. So, na-build ko yung self-esteem ko. And as a bonus, I gained 8 kilos. Ang paborito kong product are the shake, aloe, and tea. And then yung cell complex, vitamins, mineral. Yun ang pinaka-anti-stress ko. Yung Herbalife line, Nightworks, and yung Ocular Defense. At ngayon, kasi meron na tayong iced coffee, nadagdag yung iced coffee. Background ko, I'm an elementary school teacher. Ang pinakaayaw ko sa aking dating work is I don't own my time, and every time na mag-absent ako, hindi rin ako mapakali dahil iniisip ko yung safety ng aking mga pupils. I love teaching, kaya lang stressful, and sometimes even yung community is stressful. So nag-decide ako last 2019 to retire early and do Herbalife full time. Now I'm happy because I can do what I want, and I can go anywhere. And ang kagandahan is natututo ako. This company taught us how to live healthy. Okay, we live the best life. We live. The company is teaching us how to live healthy and live the best life. Okay, so thank you. Let's go now to our topic. So our topic is entitled the 5 healthy ways to manage stress. Our source is our Dr. David Heber. He is the chairman and Herbalife Nutrition Institute. Okay, now, next. Ayan, so ano ba ang stress? Okay, so stress is the natural response for how brains and bodies react to demands or stressor. Okay, so stress affects everyone according to the annual stress and in America report by the American Psychologists Association. Money and work continue to be a significant stressor. Okay, diba? Kung minsan kung wala kang money, na-stress ka, and because of your work, na-stress ka. Okay? Truth to be told, not all stress is bad. In fact, stress is a part of our evolutionary fight or flight response. Okay, so it is a way to defend ourselves against sudden danger or threats. Okay, and our body's reaction to stress help us feel more alert and focused and also motivated. Ang key lang doon is to manage stress efficiently, kasi if left unchecked, chronic stress can take a toll on our minds and bodies. Next po. We have here the facts about stress. So, stress can cause us acne. Yan yung nangyari sa akin. Nagkakaroon ako ng acne. And then it increase how often you get sick. Digestive issues makes it harder to remember things and reduce life expectancy. It shortens your life and dampen your sex drive and affects menstrual cycle. Okay, yun po yung result kung na-stress ka. Okay, next po. Yan, so we have here the 5 ways to manage stress according to Dr. David Heber. Next po. So number 1 is managing stress through healthy eating. Okay, so long-term stress can lead to fatigue and negatively impact our moods, making it difficult to make a healthy lifestyle choices. So many people tend to overeat during times of stress, turning to foods that are quick and comforting, but often loaded with fat, salt, and sugar. And if you're overusing caffeine or having caffeine in the evening to boost your mood and energy, that can backfire by disrupting your sleep. Okay, so being mindful, by the way, our immune system is required adequate amounts of sleep, exercise, and good nutrition. So being mindful of what you eat, especially during stressful circumstances, can help you manage stress levels and change the way you respond to it. So based on my experience, yung healthy breakfast pack that was discussed a while ago, which consists of aloe tea and shake, is recommended na kainin natin kung stressed tayo. And yung tablet na vitamins, minerals, sinabi ko kanina, that was my anti-stress. Tinatawag namin yan na anti-stress tablet. Okay? And yung ano yun, yung retreat tea. Okay, nagpapakalma yan. Maganda yan. Pag stress ka, magandang inumin yan. So, we have here few reminders for healthy eating. You avoid mindless snacking. Okay, so reach for nutritious, hard and crunchy foods that can help relieve stress by putting your jaw muscles to work. Okay, and then yung snacks like almonds, soy nuts, or baby carrots instead of yung mga unhealthy foods. And avoid skipping meals as it might adversely affect your mood and energy levels. And na-explain kanina ni Coach Cherry Lou yung result kung nag-skip ka ng meals, yung kung nag-skip ka ng breakfast, di ba? So blood sugar levels can fall, leading you to increased stress. If stress is an appetite killer, try eating smaller amounts of food more often during the day. Kahit na kunti-kunti lang, after 2 hours, kain ka ng pagkain mo, basta yung healthy. Okay? And another one is yung eat regularly. Ayan, don't skip meals. Okay? When you're stressed, it is easy to put off meals or even skip them altogether, di ba? As a result, your mood and energy level will suffer. Blood sugar levels can fall, leading to increased stress. Yan, nasabi ko kanina na yan. So, also remember to keep meal times pleasant and separate from work or other sources of stress. Mas magandang, di ba yung iba kasi nag-work habang kumakain. So, mas magandang i-separate mo. Take a little extra time to slow down and relax while you eat. That way, you're likely to eat less and enjoy it more. Okay? Next po. Yan. So, kailangan din nating i-manage yung stress natin through physical activity. So, exercise is a great stress reliever as it helps release endorphins that would help you naturally feel good. And do it consistently. It is recommended to do 150 minutes of moderate exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise weekly. And then exercise can build muscles through strength training and also yung stretching routine. Okay, so for some people, gentler, low-intensity workouts such as yung yoga, Pilates, or yung relaxing walk in the park are the best remedy for stress. And others prefer high-intensity workouts such as yung sprinting and running. So whatever exercise you make that can feel you good, do it. There is a good chance you can try it at home or do it with the group. Okay, so you can check Herbalife Nutrition Fitness Portal training for training routines for every fitness level, or you can join us every Thursday. Okay, next po. Next. Ayan. So, another one is yung adequate sleep. Okay, so you need to rest and then recover. So, sleep meanwhile helps the body go into repair mode. In order for you to have a sound sleep, it is also advisable to maintain a clean environment that helps you reduce stress. Another addition to having a good night's sleep is by taking a warm bath and using also yung antibacterial towels, which eliminates 99.9% of bacteria growth. Okay, and Dr. David Heber said that collectively, nutrition, exercise, and sleep promote better health. And while they won't take away stressful situation, they can help you better manage stress levels and achieve better overall well-being. Okay, next, we have here also yung pang-apat. Next po. Ayan, so practice mindful meditation. Meron dyan yung mga steps how to do meditation. So just 20 minutes of daily meditation has the potential to improve anxiety and mental health. Okay? And take time also to pray and give thanks. I-ano lahat kay God. Okay? Next po. Next po. And yan. And then yung transform negative thoughts. Okay. A study published in Frontiers in Neuroscience revealed that people practicing mindfulness Okay, had a great ability to control negative emotions. Okay? Yung palaging sinasabi ni Mother na kung ano man yung mga problema, just entrust it to God because God is bigger than those problems. Diba? Okay. So thank you. I think I'm done. Next, meron pang isang slide, yung reminder. Okay, so we have here a reminder. Nutrition, exercise, and sleep promote better health, and while they won't take away the stressful situation, they can help us better manage our stress levels and achieve a better overall well-being. So, naulit lang yan para ma-remind tayo. Okay, so thank you. God bless po. Ayan, so we are the number 1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management in well-being, and active and lifestyle nutrition. Okay, kaya maganda yan to maganda yung mga product to eat para maano yung stress natin. Okay, thank you. God bless po.